everybody. Today we are dealing with Pythagoras again. So remember that means that we are dealing with right triangles. So triangles that have right angles in them. Right, like that marker. And the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay? Now, talking about a squared plus b squared equals c squared, a reminder that a and b must be legs, meaning they are attached or connected to the right angle. And c must be the hypotenuse, which means that it is on the opposite side of the right angle. We've talked about opposites before, opposite meaning the side that does not form or touch the angle at all. Okay? So this is my hypotenuse, this is my c, and a or b can get flipped around either way, but c must be the hypotenuse, and I cannot stress that enough. Yesterday, I gave you a and b and asked you to find c. Today, sometimes I will be asking for a and b. Let's look at what a couple of those problems might look like. So let's do some erasing here. Let's go with a 3, an x, and a 5. Okay? So now we know that this is a leg, and this is the hypotenuse. Because this is the hypotenuse, that has to be my c. Has to be. But this 3 could be a or b. It's up to you. Either way will work for you. But it has to be a or b, and 5 must be c. I'm going to let 3 be a, just because, for literally no reason. So 3 squared plus x squared equals c, which is 5 squared. Okay? And again, like a or b, we can flip around. Right? X squared plus 3 squared is going to give us the same equation. Okay? Because addition you can flip around. 1 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 1. But this 5's got to be over here. Make sure you are aware of what the hypotenuse is and where it is. Okay? Super important there. Okay? Then we'll simplify. 3 squared is 9 plus x squared equals 25. We've got to get our x by itself, so subtract 9. And x squared equals 16. Square root of both sides. And x will equal 4. Okay? Just a real quick reminder, when you take the square root of 16 there, it could be also negative 4, but again, measurements are not going to be negative here. So, x is 4, we've got a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Okay? There are going to be some problems today where you are also still looking for the hypotenuse. So, one of the first steps that you need to do right before building the equation is, what am I looking for? If you're looking for the hypotenuse, make sure that your variable is over here by itself. If you're looking for a leg, make sure it's over here. Okay, that's the trickiest part of the Pythagorean theorem, is just making sure that you've got all the variables and all the numbers where you need them to be. Okay? If you have any questions, I'll be in my Google Meet all day. The assessment for all of this will be on Monday. It is our final assessment other than the final itself. So you will have Monday to work on the assessment, and you will have the rest of the week to work on getting everything in and completed and to pass the class. So I will see you